What up, Keto fam? DJ Keto here, where I vlog myself cooking keto-friendly dishes, and today we'll be doing a product review. I'll be making some Snickerdoodle cookie and a batch of brownies. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But first, Bulletproof coffee. Okay, so my wife went to our local bargaining grocery store and she found these ZenSweet cookie mix and brownie mix. They're pretty simple to make. Looks like this takes only 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of butter and contains 12 servings. Each cookie is gonna roughly be about 3 net carbs per cookie. And brownie 2, need to mix unsweetened yogurt with this. And this is going to be about 6 net carbs per brownie. Let's whip these up and give it a try. So we're going to start with the Snickerdoodle cookies. We'll set the brownie one aside for now. And instructions are pretty simple. I have the oven preheated at 350. So we need to mix 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg. Whisk this up. And then add the mix. It smells really good. The cinnamon comes out real well. This looks pretty well mixed. We're going to transfer it to a cookie sheet. I got my non-stick mat on it and it says to scoop out 1 tablespoon per cookie. Got this little ice cream scooper we'll use. Okay, cookies are done. I baked them at 350. I had to increase the time 4 more minutes, so a total of 14 to 15 minutes. Before I stuck them in the oven, I did smash them down a little bit. It smells really good, but we will let this cool for a couple minutes. While this is cooling, we'll start on the brownie mix. Now for the brownies, all we need is the packet, and instructions says 1 cup of unsweetened yogurt. We'll mix this together. The yogurt's really interesting. Never done this before. Curious how this will come out. So this came out pretty interesting. It looks more of a cookie dough than brownie dough. So we'll just throw it in. It says an 8x8 pan, but I have this brownie pan that I'm going to use. I'm gonna give it a quick spray. Add the brownie mix. And it says the packet has 12 servings in it. So this brownie pan has this little pre-cut 12 pieces into it. Just gonna spray it down so it doesn't stick to it. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We will stick this in for about 25 minutes. Okay, Keto fam, we're all done baking. Let's give these a try. First, the cookies. They came out pretty well. Doesn't look like the picture though. But let's try them. Good cinnamon flavor. It's made with monk fruit, so it doesn't have that cooling after taste. I like it. I would definitely buy this again. Now let's try the brownies. These look really interesting. Interesting texture. Not really fudgy. Doesn't really have a very strong chocolate flavor to it. You know, it's really not that bad. I think if I were to add some of my own chocolate chips to it, that'd be really good. It's really not that bad. I would actually buy this one again too. Yeah, I would probably give these about 7 out of 10, my honest review. Would I buy it again? I think I would buy both of these again. I think it's convenient on time. Simple to make, simple ingredients. Definitely pick up a pack if you come across it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I'm going to finish this up.